back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, as you can see by the title, today's video is going to be a little bit different just because we're kind of doing a vlog style, but also like I'm going to be showing you my makeup. So as you can see by the title, I'm going to be trying to attempt to take my own headshot pictures. So I don't know if you guys know, but like my dream is to be an actress. So the first step for me is going to be going to school for it. So I just want to take some headshot pictures, and there's a bunch of reasons why I am trying to take my own headshots picture. Trying to take my own headshot pictures, one being I kind of like to do things on my own if I can. Like I feel like experience wise I like to try to do things on my own. That being one. Most importantly, I have social anxiety. I know it's kind of like a one extreme to another, being wanting to be an actress or whatever, but I have social anxiety, so that's one thing. And also, like, we're still in the midst of a pandemic, so all these reasons is basically coming together to form me trying to take my own headshots at home. So basically, yeah, we're just going to be doing a very, very, very light makeup today, even lighter than my like natural makeup routine, because as I was like doing my research for headshots, you're really not supposed to do like a full glam look, just a little bit of makeup. I just want to cover up a little bit of my imperfections and all that good stuff. So I am going to be doing my makeup with you guys, and then we're going to move on over to like a vlog type style to take headshots together. So anyways, long story short, if you want to see me attempt to take my own headshot pictures at home, then just keep on watching. Also the makeup that I'm doing for my headshots, and then just keep on watching. And by the way, guys, I'm going to be taking off my earrings later for when I take the picture, because you're not supposed to have on like any dramatic jewelry. I just wanted to do it now because I like wearing earrings. I think it looks cute on me, and I want to wear in my video. I feel like nobody's critiquing this here video. I mean, I'm sure there's some people who are, you know what I mean? This isn't the headshot portion of it, so I'm just gonna wear my earrings right now. So first, what I'm going to do is I'm gonna very lightly fill in my eyebrows. I just don't want them to look as sparse in the pictures, but like I'm not gonna go overboard. So I'm just gonna take a powder that's the same color as my eyebrows and just fill in the sparse parts of my eyebrow. And I'm really kind of avoiding the front of my eyebrow. I feel like with a natural look, the front of the eyebrows looks the most natural in the eyebrows, if that makes sense. So I'm just avoiding putting anything on the front because, like I said, I feel like that'll still give it the natural look the most. Also, my eyebrows are very uneven, so this is gonna just help me a little bit make them more even for the pictures, because don't nobody want uneven brows. Next, I'm gonna conceal my eyebrows, and I'm gonna be using this NYX concealer. I'm gonna take a flat brush and I'm gonna dip into the concealer, but I'm also gonna wipe it off on my hand first before I go straight on the face, just to like tone it down a little bit. And then I'm just gonna conceal my brows with this. Now I'm gonna take a beauty sponge and just blend that out. I'm going to use that same concealer, and I'm actually just going to put it a little bit on my eyelids, just because my eyelids are very uneven and a little bit veiny, so I just want to cover them up a little bit. I'm just going to lightly put it on my lid. I'm going to take this like skin color powder that I have on a Morphe, this brush doesn't have a number, but on a Morphe like big powder brush, and just set all that concealer just to make it more closer to my skin tone. Now we're gonna move on to foundation. So I'm gonna prime my face. I'm gonna be using this e.l.f. mineral infused face primer. I like to take a beauty sponge. This is just like a big Sonia Kashuk one, and just really tap that primer into the skin. Especially if you're using several primers, you want to like let it sit and get the first one really into the skin before you go over it with another one. So the first thing that I'm gonna take is I'm gonna take this Maybelline Fit Me like foundation stick, and I'm just gonna put some on around my mouth because I have like this like dark spot around my mouth that I just want some extra coverage for. Okay, so we're gonna let that like foundation stick set a little bit so it can get like as thick as possible. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take, so we're basically gonna use like these pro concealers to do my face with, just so it looks as like natural as possible, if that makes sense. So first I'm just gonna very lightly put it like in the bronzing spot. I'm just gonna put some on my cheeks and a little bit on my forehead. Also gonna take a little bit of this liquid highlighter. Now I'm gonna take this concealer and just put it under my eye a little bit. And I'm gonna take that skin color powder again and just set my face with it very lightly. So now we're just gonna take a little tiny bit of bronzer just to like bronze up my face a little bit. That bronzer, we're just gonna take the tiniest bit and just put it into the crease of my eye. And then just to open up my eyes a little bit, I'm gonna put some white in the inner corner. Okay, now I'm gonna take some mascara and very lightly, without getting any on my lid, put it on my eyes. I want to so badly put on a lash right now, but I'm not going to do that. I'm trying to think if I want to do my lower lashes. I want to put on some blush. Something about my face is looking crazy to me right now. I want to do a little bit more concealer under my eyes. Okay, now we're gonna put on a little bit of setting spray just to set everything in place. Okay, so this is my finished natural makeup look. So that was a makeup for the headshot pictures. I like it. I just so badly want to throw on a lash, but like I said, I'm not trying to do anything super extra because the thing that I was reading, it said not to go like super overboard. So this is the makeup that we're working with. I feel like it looks pretty good, pretty natural. So now let's move over to vlog style and try to get some of these headshots done. Okay, I'm trying to figure out where to take my pictures. I'm thinking I could do it like in front of my closet door, because I don't want too much in the background. But I seen someone take it outside, so if this doesn't work out, then I might have to like go outside. But for right now, let me move my camera to where I kind of like want it to be. Okay, so we got it all set up. I think I want to put this here so you guys can see like what I'm trying to do. So I have my phone so I can like see what it looks like and stuff. I need to be higher because it's not at the right angle. This is so difficult for no reason. These look like ID pictures. Like, I'm not great at like looking at the camera and like smiling. It looks so awkward, just so unphotogenic. Like, it's not even funny. By the way, my phone isn't in the picture. It's just me kind of like looking. Wait, because these are kind of cute. Like that one's cute. I feel like my hair might be too much, but I'll edit out the gems and stuff. These ones are kind of cute. I think that one's good. Alright, we're good for now, I think. I'm gonna try to get like Photoshop and edit these bad boys up and see what they all look like. My setup was looking like, I just put my light looking towards me as well, and I feel like it didn't look too like fake lighting. So this is that look like. That one is not cute, but this is what some of them look like. So yeah, I don't know if they're good or not, but I'm gonna edit that. You see like the line of my closet, I'm gonna Photoshop that. But for the most part, I think they look pretty okay. I don't know if they're very like, I don't know. I think they're cute. So that's when I put my hair up. This is when my hair was like down. So yeah, I think this is good for now. We're gonna try to like edit these. Hold on, because this picture is kind of fire. No. We're gonna try to edit these and then we'll see. Like I said, I'm gonna try to like Photoshop out the gem, because this is just for like a school, for schooling. So let me know if you guys think like the hair thing, because I think they're so cute, but like the things in my hair are too much, and I Photoshopped them out. But yeah, I think it's cute for now. Hold on, because I'm kind of cute, guys. These are kind of cute. This is like a self-esteem boost, except for the fact that I have a lazy eye. But this is kind of like, I'm kind of cute, no? Okay. Okay guys, so that was it for this video. Hopefully everything worked out. I'm filming this before I take the headshot pictures, so hopefully everything worked out. Here's some of the pictures if I got them edited and stuff before I posted this video. I didn't even think about that. Like, I still have to edit them and stuff, but yeah, if I don't post them here, then I'll post them like somewhere in my Instagram or something like that. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Turn on my post notifications to be notified every time that I upload. If you want to keep up with me when I'm not posting on YouTube, you can follow me on all my other social medias. All that good stuff is on the screen right here. It'll also be in the description box down below. I want to tell you guys, just follow your dreams and do whatever feels right to you, because the next step of my life hopefully is going to school and doing something that I really have been wanting to do for a really long time, and I have always been nervous and anxious and all that stuff to do, but if I can do it, you guys can too. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.